Alex Ramsay, great to see you. Bala Town in Europe. It's Valletta from Malta. What do you make of the draw?
Yeah, I mean, we spoke as a group sort of in the week, and ideally we would have wanted a home tie. But from what we know of them, after speaking to some players and coaches at Newtown, we feel like we've got a strong chance against them, and especially over one leg. I think Bala have done really well over one leg in previous years. So hopefully with it being over one leg now, we can go and progress.
Yeah, it is an interesting one with the restrictions. Of course, all the games are going to be one-legged. It does change things, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, we spoke about it in the week, and I think that's sort of why we said ideally we would have liked a home tie, really. But I guess it's just all or nothing, really, in one game. We've prepared really well. The squad are really strong. We're in a good position, both sort of physically and technically. So we sort of fancy ourselves going over there and getting a result for sure.
A few new faces at Bala as well. Will Evans coming in, Nathan, Pete as well. Hugh Morris from Ruthin could be fascinating. What's the atmosphere like amongst the squad?
Yeah, to be fair, it's been really good. The lads have been extremely welcoming. I mean, it's quite a small tight squad at the moment. I've been sort of lucky enough to grow up with Will. I went to the same high school as Will, so I know him very, very well. He's a family friend. And obviously I played with Nathan in the Wales C. So two really good additions to the squad. And like I said, the squad itself is looking really good. So we're looking forward to getting going in competitive games.
Yeah, and the lure of European football, is that a factor in joining Bala?
Yeah, I can't really deny it, to be honest. I think, like I said, when Colin spoke to me and gave me the opportunity to come in and play in the European qualifying, it's something that I couldn't really turn down at that time. Like I haven't managed to actually get an appearance in Europe at the moment, so that'll be good on the 27th. So I'm looking forward to that. Yeah,
excellent. Got to ask about Cynghrair as well. Everybody that leaves Cynghrair says it's a tough decision. Did you enjoy your time there?
Yeah, honestly, it's I've made some really, really good friends at Cynghrair, and then I can't thank them enough, really, for giving me the opportunity to get back, because obviously I had to stop playing. So for them to give me the opportunity to get back playing again, especially in the Welsh Prem, I did have a top 2.5, 3 years there. I met some great people. I mean, I can't say I'm looking forward to going back to the Oval and playing in front of them, but that'll be one to remember for sure.
It'll be fine. I'm sure. I just find you see, you're at work, of course. Shrewsbury Town, top on there. Leading the youth development, with Shrewsbury Town. How are things going? You're obviously back in work. What's it been like?
Yeah, it's been a tough start, if I'm honest, just because all the procedures and protocols that we've had to go through to get the players through the door. It's been really tough, but the players that we have actually managed to get on the pitch, they've been excellent. They've been first class, and hopefully, touch wood, we can sort of produce some players to go into the first team. But no, it's been tough, but a good start.
Brilliant. Great to see you back. Looking forward to seeing the European games coming up soon. Alex, thanks for your time.
Great to speak to you.